With me today is makeup artist Shrouk, who will be taking us through two tutorials. One will be about the glitter eyeliner and the second one is about the 90s lip. So, briefly tell us about your background.
Awesome. So as you stated, my name is Shrouk. I'm 24 years old and I've been a makeup artist now for nearly 4 years, self-taught and freelancing. Recently new here in Dubai, just moved here 3 months ago.
Oh, well.
It's been a very good ride here in Dubai and I'm just basically experiencing a lot of things.
Yeah.
Actually my first ever show, but I'm very excited.
Yeah, amazing. And what kind of beauty looks do you love doing?
Basically, this is my go-to look every day.
Very natural.
It's very natural, it's very easy, it's very quick to do. I kind of want to tell you about the products.
Yes, please. What have you got on today?
Basically, for my base, I have the Velvet Skin Finish. This is by Makeup Forever.
Okay.
This is in the color Y415. It's kind of tan. And it's basically my color right now with the sun and all.
Right.
So this is very nice because it also gives a very velvet finish.
Okay.
It's very dry and usually I have oily skin. So
Oh, okay, amazing.
Yeah, it's awesome.
So it gives you the coverage and it kind of stays put.
Exactly, yeah. And without having to put on too much powder because it's not really good with the weather when it's too hot. So it just finishes off as a powder touch. So that's awesome. Yeah. And for my concealer, I've got the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer.
Oh,
this is my favorite.
These. Yeah,
yeah,
I haven't tried it yet.
It's high coverage.
Okay.
And at the same time, it doesn't look too cakey. When it's put on, it doesn't dry and it doesn't leave fine lines.
Yeah.
So it's really good. And this is the color medium.
Okay, perfect.
And my favorite ever, Too Faced, Better Than Love Mascara. You can find this everywhere, literally.
Yeah.
It's the best, and this is the waterproof one. You have no idea like how hard it is to take this off, but it's really nice. And for my contour and blush, I've got the Makeup Forever. You basically choose these.
Yeah.
So you choose which one's better suited for your color, and you just put it in. It's a magnet thing, and
I can't do the contour. I don't know what it is.
Very easy.
Yeah.
I'll show you a trick.
Okay, cool. We're gonna get into it.
I'll tell you real quick what you can do. You just go from your upper ear, all the way down to your cheeks. Yeah. You basically never want to pass the center of your eye. So if you like look straight into the mirror, you want it to land like here.
Right here. Okay. Right.
Like in the middle.
And then you kind of blend away.
Yeah, exactly. You just blend it out.
Okay, maybe I'll do that. Anyways, let's start with the glitter eyeliner. So when we're thinking of applying glitter to our eyes, what should we be considering?
Basically, number one is the color. Okay. You have to make sure that you're choosing the right color that suits your eye color, so you don't, dim your eyes or, give it that look that it's not really.
Like the natural kind of, well, like not natural, but enhancing the eyes.
But yeah, you want to enhance the eyes, not dim it. So basically, if you have like brown eyes, I have brown eyes. I usually go for gold or pink. Right. Or purple. It usually makes your eye color.
I've got a pink one here. So what is this one?
This one is from Urban Decay. This is their heavy metal eyeliner palette thing.
Okay.
Basically, it's really helpful when creating eyeliner looks because it gets this brush.
Oh, okay.
So it's like literally like an eyeliner.
So it looks like there's a lot of glitter, but it doesn't look like you can add too much on.
That's the good thing about it.
You can just kind of layer it on.
Okay. Yeah. It's basically that's the main rule of makeup. You build on it instead of putting too much and then having to take it off. It's very hard to do that. So you just go step by step.
All right.
And then you have the gold one as well. I don't know if it really shows.
Yeah, it's like a silver, like a shimmery one. Yeah. I'm gonna try the gold one. So I'm gonna do the Marc Jacobs crayon. It's kind of pulls out a little bit here. I think gold will look quite nice.
Yeah. It'll make your eyes clearer.
So with the liner, should we try and do just the top line or the lower lash line? What should we be kind of going for?
If you want to go for a full-on glam look, I would go all over.
Oh, all over the lid?
The lids.
Okay, that's quite.
But I would go first with you have your eyeliner ready.
Yes, I do. Okay.
Quick. So I'm just going to create the wing and then slide it down.
The liquid eyelines I feel are always a little bit better in terms of staying on.
Definitely, yes.
Because I mean, with the pencil, you can create like a smoky eye when you kind of blend it. But
yeah, I'm just using the pencil right now because I want to create just basically an outline for the glitter eyeliner.
And which one are you using?
It's the Tattoo Liner by Kat Von D. It's in Trooper Black.
Amazing.
It's very good, yeah. So you just create a line as a guide.
Okay.
There we go. It doesn't have to be perfect because either way you're going to go over it. So
yeah. So you kind of just trace the
just the lids.
Yeah. That was fast.
Then I just draw it.
Okay. Right. No. Perfect. So once we kind of had the guided line there, we can go in with the...
It's so easy to put on your glitter liner now because you already have that guide there.
So you go over the top?
Yeah, okay. Just go over the top. Just make sure it's dried out, because sometimes when it's wet and this is wet, it takes the product off. Okay. So you just, yours is dried out already.
Yeah, yeah.
And just go over it.
So if I'm using a pencil, can I kind of hold my...
Yeah?
Yeah? Okay, right. Let's try this one. Oh, it's really nice. It goes on quite smoothly.
Just imagine if you don't have your guide on.
Yeah.
It's like, where do you go? And it's very, I mean, everything's so glittery nowadays, especially summertime and at nighttime. Yeah. Everyone goes for glitter.
That looks amazing.
You want to try it?
Oh, I love it. It's like a party liner. I quite like the gold, but I feel maybe...
We can go for a little bit look, because you're bright.
Yeah,
kind of bright.
Yeah, it gets a little bit lost.
This is gold, right?
Yeah, this one's a gold one.
Color, like purple?
Let me try. Oh, actually, I do. I've got this one from Laura Mercier.
Awesome.
It's kind of more like a chunky. I think it's like a caviar stick. Yeah, the caviar stick eye color. So this one is this purpley shade.
This is good for eyeshadow.
Amethyst color. Okay, so maybe I can just go on top, can't I?
Yeah.
Maybe I can mix them. Well, actually,
does it look good?
Yeah, it's disguising it quite well.
Awesome.
Yeah. And then this one, maybe I can blend it out a bit more.
Try to add a little bit of gold actual glitters on top of it.
Okay, right. Let me try and do the other eye. Okay, so kind of like a more of a muted color.
Yeah.
And then this one, let's see. Oh, okay, so it's actually doesn't put too much glitter on the lid, so it's quite nice. You can control how much you want on it.
Yeah.
Well, I quite like it.
It's really nice.
Got my party
since I did it look like this.
No, that looks super cool. Okay, so once it's on, we let it dry.
Yeah, you just leave it and it just dries on its own.
Yeah.
It dries really quick.
And with these, can you just cover the whole lid if you want to go?
I do that sometimes with my clients. Some of them like super glam looks.
Yeah.
So I just fill in the lids, all of it with glitters, and it looks really good. It looks really nice. Yeah.
So once it's dried on, should we just add a bit more mascara?
If you want to add, you can go ahead and add more afterwards.
Okay.
All over the glitter that you just had. If you like it the way it is, you just go on with your mascara.
Yeah. Amazing.
Like we can add mascara now. See how it looks.
I've been really liking this Benefit one.
Oh yeah, the bad girl?
Yeah.
So nice.
And I got this little one, which is like a little, you can put in your little travel bag.
Yeah.
And in terms of like your makeup artist journey so far, have you learned any tricks or anything else that you like to apply when you do your own makeup?
Definitely.
Okay,
definitely.
Go on.
Number one, it's not really a trick, but you have to do it. You have to put on moisturizer.
Right.
I cannot stress how important it is when you put on moisturizer, then put on your foundation. The finish is completely different.
It's like a good base, isn't it?
Definitely, yeah. And as important as it is, it's not really that famous around, you know, people usually skip the moisturizer step, so you definitely have to put your moisturizer.
And what would you say were like the craziest makeup mistakes you've ever done?
Definitely drawing my eyebrows into this 2 blocks on my face.
Oh my god.
There came a time, it was actually a trend, and people just filled in their eyebrows so hard that they shaped them, basically not filling them in.
Right.
But now that's just like in the past. I'm never doing that again.
So we've done the everyday glitter eye look, but if you want to enhance it, you can also do the full lid, or you can go in with eyeshadows like the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Trophy Wipe.
Yeah.
It's got this amazing shimmer. Have you tried this before?
That would be good. No, not this color. Not this color, but it's so gold. It's like it's good to transform it from a day to nighttime look.
Like this will be insane if you want to go out.
Awesome.
With a glitter eye look. Thank you so much for joining us. Next up, we're going to be talking all about how to create the perfect 90s lip.